Good morning, everyone. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. Welcome to a new morning from my terrace garden. Today I'm a little bit late. I was taking care of the plants that are on the ground floor. See, this is a beautiful dark maroon rose. It's the bud is just blooming and it will be in full bloom, I think, by tomorrow. So this is my another bloom. I don't know what's the name of this flower. I think Zarvera or something the nursery man was telling. So one thing we need to do with the dry plants is that we need to remove them from the plant as soon as it has dried up from the plant. This is my bougainvillea, the new rose plant. This is the cherry plant. This is some hibiscus, pink colored hibiscus. This is red colored hibiscus. These are also new additions in my garden. This is a sweet lime. I think no, today the bugs are not there. Yes. Especially I come in the morning to check whether there is any pest attack or anything, or the mud is dry, they need watering. So it's my daily routine to come for a checkup of all the plants like a doctor. See, this is my sunflower, and the magic is that it always turns towards the rays of the sun. See, my house help has arranged these flowers because they are waiting to be potted. So yesterday she has done a bit of work and she has arranged it. The chili plant is also lying still, but I have to complete the work, and I will do it soon because tomorrow is a Sunday. Maybe I will finish up with the work. See, now this is the look of my garden. This is also looking very beautiful and soothing to the eyes. Now let me show you the vegetable section. These are all my portulaca, and this is beetroot. The lemongrass, and here I have thrown some Aprajita seeds. I don't know whether they will bloom out or not because it's been since I think 10 or 15 days are over, but yet they have not yet sprouted. This is my brinjal plant. I have given them a support, and yesterday I have harvested 2 brinjals from here. Many more brinjals are there to be harvested. See the mint leaves, they are growing in size, and it's my pleasure to show you all. Here also it is growing in size. I told you, no, the whole area will be filled with mint trees, and these are some grow bags in which I am going to grow or sow seeds of some vegetables. From Amazon I had ordered a pack of 50 different types of fruits and vegetable seeds. I will show you the seeds and I will update regarding its quality, whether they are working or not, and I'll make one separate video also. The sun is over my head, so that's why today the pigeons are not there. These are some unique creativities which I'm going to create from the old cold drink bottles. This is a tower which I will create slowly. And I need to show you the new additions again. The lemon tree. This tree, the nursery man gave to me for free, because earlier I brought that sweet lime thinking it to be as lemons. So such a big tree, he gave it for free on request of my house help. I didn't say anything to him, but she told that you told that this is lemon and it came out to be oranges. So quickly he handed over this tree. You go and you will eat so many lemons from here. So believing him, we brought it home, and see, such a big tree it is. He has selected it so that the fruits come out, the vegetables come out in time. It's a specially picked up tree. Let's see when it will start flowering. This is my rose plant. The rose will open. It's taking a long time. The buds were there since I brought it from the nursery, but it is taking a long time to bloom. Let's see. The new leaves, it will grow because I have planted it just 2 days back. This is the bleeding heart. Yesterday in the evening when I came to water them, I was very much in shock because they had all dried up. So I have watered them plentifully. I have 1 bucket of water I have poured in this plant, and see, now it is again standing tall. These are also red flowers. They appear as roses. A lot of work has to be done. See, the summers are approaching and the heat is very much extreme, so I'm not able to do the work during the daytime after my school. So I'm waiting for the evening or the early mornings. And my terrace is situated on the second floor. First ground floor, then first floor, second floor, then on top of it. So there is extreme heat. See, it's 7:21, not even no, it's 8:30 around, not even 9 o'clock, and the sun is extreme. So thanks for watching. Keep showering your love. Happy gardening. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.